Gafini ugarota ka wajin walko kabda. Walko kabna. I believe in walking and talking. Talking and walking. Kanamata ani tuma alala na wala sun. Intaw. Nama walin dalagu barbadu. Nama gafi kabu. Nama walin mariachu barbadu. Mariacha dalaga dem. Kali bersodati walge ayo to jingolatu. Arra dala sipir. Boru bekorati dia. Nabi kaya negari. Gana magal-gala, alala na barbada. No. We don't have the time. We don't have the liberty to sit and argue endlessly. Yada dia isina, karuna pamna tasimo dia isina. Yada gabisa lo kabate, ni udanna. Laki angga balik boli galu. Dia nasul entau, walko kamna nama, boli kamu, walko kamu ni. Alantis biyatis mari balbal bola jirra dalaga stidema jirra sunidus ni yachi seni wae basu po adiyette ero hypothetically morina we're talking about rakko hama Ethiopianis Oromianis Tigrays Amaranis wali klena kudemani opshinde kale hasayatu rasul injiru arra lola dabsisu biya demine sopu wallaru Samboda gari demokrasi cesu. Ega saja sih lebih boda. Kha area murte fata mal jo sunjira ju dagaru durati. Amma garu mata jiru rati. Mal maran. Amma maran. Amma malin jawe ta mata kali ci buburu sita. Fasha irra kenya digar radura digar rada abniro. Samboda kini ni mal malini fayibna. Samboda Amama kalara kami terragona, kawo kalara kanya sudah tadi sih. My job right now, stop the bleeding, cure the wounds. Then it's up to the people to continue.
Gafi san misunderstood go te gafi suntiya kabasa wal kabate maybe I didn't explain well. Gafin ki yasuni. Amman tanatti rakkoon jiru beekamaa Itoophiyaa keessatti. Sarratti akka xiyyeeffatamillee ifa ta'eera. Garuu ka jiru hin suphinaan biyya odoon taane surgically remove goonallee yeroo jettee haasoftu jira. So amma obviously it is to the point where leader amma jiru kun waan kana fix gochuu waan hin dandeenyerra there is no return irra waan gaheefi kanaaf maali clearly wanti qabdan jechuu barbaade.
Oh bareeda. Akka gaarii ibsineerra si haa ibsu. Indulloomeen dadhabellee warri hiyyaas dabarsu jira warri ibsutti beeka. Haala amma jiruun of eeggannoo guddaa gaafata. Sirna hoggaa jennu hoggana jira, mootummaa jira, biyya jira. Mootummaan garuu paartii qofa miti. Militarii jira, security jira, diinagdee jira, jaarmaa adda addaa jira. Toda revolution wakati mtotate kalichi kwa sonde sirna sanis di kutrufta. Kun defend me dana kaba. Ojin Kenya is about preserving the gains we have made so far, then advancing more interest. Yeah. Enough akitidem aka tusani sintatu. Surgically mo akas ko famity. Cancer kan to ama ke jo balate because ko ha bidiye. Some will give the chemotherapy, some will remove it, right?
Yeah, obviously.
So I can't go to details. So those are.
Yeah, I don't want you to go to details.
Only kan le jo no bat ye diya. Umarre to ऐसा security की awal का बात खाना ना चीज़ें आज वो बुद्धा कैसा खाना ना चीज़ें रब बिखरा लो garumo makina kes tae yo makina kes de accident in na dufa jemo mana kesatti harka baradden taw ultimately magar mal tuna again you know nas poko wa kada river I achieved everything I want in my life and I have 3 wonderful young boys I have a legacy of children and about all I have to do is protect my legacy and raise my children, right?
but it's still not enough.
Qabsoo amma godhu kanaan leegaasii protect goona leegaasii protect goona ilmaan itti guddifna yookaan isin guddiftan but wayyaanee fi sodaa wayyaaneetiifis jilbiiffannee qabsoo deemne marata biyyaa fi uummata keenya qilentan buteemu kanaafis hanga fedhe dhidhiitata hanga fedhe jeba baasa yoo barbaade dirooniin erga malee sodaannee dubbachuu irraa niin qoru dhagaye waan inni ta'u jiru is losing bar dur maqaa Itoophiyaatiin kakatee deema ture keessaa mulqate naashinaalizimii Oromoo keessatti dhokateeti warra biraa dha'uu barbaade uummata doggaasee galle amma OPDOtti galee galtanii OPDO manguddoota amata meeqaa Ferrari, look at the natives. Is it anything? He doesn't be nowhere he can retreat. Malifi Kondalolo Bigo Police Kumala Makurate Amat Tita Mito, Matakan is our Sobenu, Arankan Namif to redeem themselves. No Namu Toso, no Butiani, Shaitanati, here you almost give to Berakata. Dura isaan diige bar Oromoo fi Itoophiyaa diiguu dura OPDO diige manguddoota maqalee wal qaqqabee deemu kana gara galee ilaalee beeku booji'amtoota jira na biratti he humiliates them bar it's an incredible stuff you know baalagummaa aankaniin waa meeqa isaan urraan gayaa ture dira isaan irra qabsaa ture at least umrii isaaniitiif niin kabaja he never had respect for them arraw gaga magamana muddamu isam ber okaju berbada no one they should not be used and even if they decide to rally around him they will go down with him amma boda akka saletitti gurba hanatti irkanneti biyya coranne jenna no way. They will pay for what they did the last 27 years. They better be part of the solution. And I know, but do I need to have? Tabakasi case a Kasian. Malivi Mutano Rakavan. Nibekan. One Gurban Gumar Modisi. Hayot Bia Kabradisi. Germans are good to let a giver to her. He never listened to them. Amma Mudamnari become the Horika Kabe photo jinka. Ethiopia photo political and so saving Godam. He thinks he can deceive the whole country. But Lolati Graiko Padi, there was only Sayas Kabate. I knew what he was doing. He was preparing for war. But Umata Media showed what bad. Namni photo in the Otona and Gay Kufema. Kanaf Karam the Mohanan Arsa or by Sakahale. Makamnati bar. So, a jenja to Baranejira, Matibavil, Ajira, Majira, Hidamajira, Rakuna Nakumatria, will survive, will outnumber, you know. A Frankaluma, you were running Matuguto, Amata Kudan, Ropasha to Lord Renano Areti, or Egypt from 75 to 85, 1875 to 1885. Amapura Buddha, Uran Ropasha Motaniarian. Ababu Jarra Bagdama Amal Logo to go running the Lufu Abojen Fartino Radume, Targation Radume. Take also by Yati Lola and then they will not. Abojen Sharia, Bertolchu, of a Funel Kuraku or Seri, or Waran, Abi Nutundendo Akaya Kazo Jilindia. Nutundendo. What happened to Nufitin? What is Nutundendo? We will outlive them. We outlived every regime. We will outlive this one as well. Individual might not. Babu could not outlive Derek. Or Nani could not outlive Tipel. I might not outlive this guy. But the nation must outlive every bastard that comes and tries to crush us. Go in, narrative. That's not the issue. The issue is the struggle must continue. The national struggle, the nation building project must continue forward. Enough? We'll outlive him and we'll beat him. And we'll repair our country. We'll end this war. One way or another, with or without him, we must end the war. We must repair the wound he created. We must repair our name. He embarrassed us, brother. He embarrassed us. He does not represent anything close to the best of Oromos. He represented the worst. He brought out the worst in Ethiopian people. You know, the worst, the darkest side of Ethiopian people was brought out by this guy. It is time to face this demon. In the war, repair the country, and hopefully move towards a democratic system where individual rights, group rights, national rights, religious rights are respected, where we might move away from talking about war and repression. Then we can talk about development policies, economic policies. I might not see that, but I want to make sure Kapso, Kero, and Oromo and other children of that country will have a better future. Yoru Sengalagin, Sumula Chundandeo, Oradala, Setunis Jalada, Negala, Batao, Mamasakram, Eyagachu, Asabachun, Basalkam, Bahulum Bakwakar Bulli, and Ebalo Bangadrak, Hulum Yagarachin Zega, Hulum Yakavachins, Yagarachin Satan, Mandibata, Gabizar. And my tears Yagari Lorajin. ሁሉም መልስ ሰጣለሁ ማለት አይደለም። መልስ ላልሰጥ እችላለሁ፣ ግን መድረክ ሰጣችኋለሁ። ሀሳባችሁን የምታሸራሽሩበት፣ የማትፈልጉትን የምትነቅፉበት፣ የምትፈልጉትን የምትደግፉበት፣ ያልገባችሁን የምትጠይቁበት መድረክ በየቦታው ፈጥራለሁ። ስለመጣችሁ አመሰግናለሁ። ደህና ደሩልኝ። ነጋና ቡላ